Good evening, YouTube. Bin number 3 down in the Carolinas. If you need to get in contact with me, there it is. Text me is better. What we got up on the bench today is this. I hadn't put a stick on the front of it yet, but I'm going to. But this used to be this. This is Ugly Betty. We're revisiting her again. We done robbed all the transistors out of it. It was about the only thing any count in it. I mean, I'm sure some you might could use a doorknob. Some of these caps may be alright, but let's pretty much throw that in the round pile trash can. Just ain't worth it. But this is what we got now. This is repurposed case. It was an X-Force case from a long time ago. It ain't no new board. But it's got Toshibas in it. It's got 12879 driving 4, and yes, all the numbering is pretty much washed off of them because of my little sonic cleaner. It cleans the hell out of them in about 3 minutes time, and it's just dish soap in there, but it will clean the hell out of them. Believe it or not, don't want to take the coloring off of these things. They was about like this. It's in the other video, you can see them, but it cleans them up, gets everything off of it, all the little solder balls, and I clean all the tabs off of it before they go into that anyways. Try to get as much salt off of them as I can and bend them back flat. This is what we got going on. And I got a surprise for him here in just a little bit. It was 8 transistors and I will use 5. Hell, might as well go and show it. I built him a little 2-pill. To go along with it. He kind of got screwed pretty hard on the Ugly Betty thing, so we fixed him up, and this thing has got a little bit more attenuation than I normally put in one. It's about 50 ohms. That's because he's got a radio that last text I got, I don't think it goes below 3 watts, and with at 2879 and I just a little more attenuation, so it ain't gonna show quite the output because it's cutting it down, and it's cutting it down a little bit through here, but wanting it to last. I put him a good high flow fan in there, but I built him this little 2-pill to go along with it. It runs real good. I didn't put no variable in it to keep costs down. I could have, but I didn't. Like I said, them little parts right there, $7 a piece, variable, and then a few more little resistors and all. So it throws a little bit more in now. But it's what we got. Stock radio. Pull that out a little bit. Let's see what we can. 5 watt slug. 2 watts. Alright, talk through. Going back towards the radio. Audio. I checked it, it's a 1.1. This is my stock radio, so turn the 5 watt slug back around, 5 watts. Won't quite get 5 watts, which is fine. But that's a stock radio with nothing but a variable key in it. Turn the power switch on. Sorry about that. 5,000 watt slug. Reading this meter. Read the bottom scale for 1,000 watts. Turn the reflect back. Audio. So right around 350 RMS. Reflect. Audio. Alright, gonna go to peak. Turn the peak kit on. Peak. Dead key at 100. Hello. About 980.
Got a copy on this weak mobile out there.
We got some locals out there. Old. Right at 900. A little over 900. Alright, gonna switch over to the hot radio. This one out of the way so I won't grab it. Alright, gonna check it on the 50 watt slug for bird. Turn the peak kit off. This 50 watt slug is showing what the radio is doing. We turn the amp off. Be a smart thing. Showing about 8 bird on that slug. That's a bird slug. 50 watt slug coaxial dynamics. It's a little bit more loose. Showing about 10 on it. Pull it back. This is a reflect back from the antenna anyways. So this one's reflect from the antenna. This one's output from the going to the antenna. Alright. With the hot radio, Rainmaker tuned Cobra 29. Let's see, turn the amp back on. Right at 100 watt dead key. Audio. So let's say 450 RMS. Turn the peak kit on. Audio. Hello. Well over 1,000. I'm sorry, I'm doing a video. Alright, there she is. That one. Let me see here. Will I be able to pause and redo the video? I have to edit it then. So let's do it like this. No, I'll just do another video on the 2-pill. So that's what we got. Alright then, y'all have a good one. Be number 3 down here in the Carolinas. Decide to get in contact with me. Alright then, later.